Hey, how's it going? Today, it is a really... Look at that sun. Oh my god, that's a hot sun. Man, that's the thumbnail. Today, whoa, god. It is so hot that you could have the cold air blasting in your house. And when you step foot into that garage, the sun mist, the sun air just hits your body, and you can't do anything about it. That's how hot it is. It is apparently 95 degrees here in Georgia. And it is only 1 o'clock. Well, it's technically 2, but... yeah, it just turned to 2:01, maybe. So it's something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I gotta say about the weather, because oh my god, it's just boiling. So yeah, hey, how's it going? I'm Sir Bloxy Man, and today we are doing something very extraordinary. You know those TVs that I bought? I kept returning them. But guess what? I bought something very cool with them that might potentially change this entire pathway. And oh my god, that's a really... look at that spider web. See that? Look. I would have walked right past it. You can't see this on camera, but there's a spider web right there. I'm just gonna go under. Okay. You know what? No, I ain't going under. Get my stick here. Come on. Yeah, get down. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Now die. How the hell did I miss that? Here, flick it. Oh my god. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to do this no more. I need another stick. Is that a stick? It's a stick. Alright. How do you miss that? It's literally at your face. Give me this stick. Alright. Third time's a charm. Ah! Yes! Fucking die! Yes! Pathway open! Woo! Okay, back to what I was saying. Oh my god, there's another one! It's right here! Look at that. You guys see that? You can kind of see it, kind of not. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do it with my hands. Alright, I think we're good. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, take that, buddy. Well, anyways, back to what I was saying. I got something that might potentially change the whole course of this base and this pathway. Let me introduce you to something very, very cool. Look at this. Look at it. I gotta bring it outside because it's so big. Yeah, that's right. I got a chainsaw. Yeah. I bought this bad boy. And it's brand new. It takes battery. But look, I can cut down everything. All these trees gone. Everything. Look. Imagine this. Everything at this base gone with this little chainsaw. Man, this was probably the best purchase that I've ever made. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I bought this sign. Wait. Let me just put that out there. Okay. I bought this sign. I thought it was funny, so I bought it. Damn. Yeah. Nice. That's pretty good. So look. So now when you're walking up to my base, oh my god, I gotta pee. Fire exit, do not block. Yeah. I mean, that is the only exit. But look at this bad boy. How do you... Oh my god. How do you... Oh. This is really hard with one hand. Alright. Alright. Alright, get that out of here. Check this puppy out. It comes with a whole kit. Oh, it has like a little door. Look. You got like a little door for your chainsaw. Wow, that's very, very nice. But anyways. Oh, baby, look at that. Ooh, that's it. Look, look. That's the battery thingy. Okay. Alright. This is definitely how you should open a chainsaw. Bro, it's like I'm unsheathing a katana. I think that's sharp. So that's why I screamed. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Now that's nice. I can actually use this. Obviously. Oh, damn. It's a lithium battery. It's a lithium ion battery. It's a big battery, man. Jesus. Holy kebabbers. Holy moly, kazarbazarn. Darn? I need my knife. Oh, I got one right here. My knife. Sir Bloxy Man, what a knife. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Jesus. I hope that you know when you buy something and it has juice already in it? I hope this is the case. God, look at this battery. Big boy. Big boy battery. Alright. Oh, snap. So, probably when I press this button... I think the safety's still on. Alright. Oh my god, you hear that baby purr? Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Let's do some cutting. Look. Example 1. One hand with a chainsaw. Let's go. Look. Alright. Damn, I gotta... God, this is really hard with one hand. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! That was 1 second. Literal... bro! My nice... Rick and Morty. You see that? Rick and Morty. My nice thing. Look! Oh my god. 1 second. Look. That's all the debris and everything. Bro, my leg. Jesus. Oh, you can just wipe it. Yeah. Don't mind me here. I want to cut down one of these trees. I don't like these trees. I hate trees in real life. So, you could be surprised when Mr. Beast was doing all that Team Tree stuff. Yeah, it kind of really made me mad, okay? Bro, the next video you see, I'm gonna cut all this out. I'm cutting everything. I'm talking actually everything. you're not going to see another tree in my perimeter ever. That's how, like, okay. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's hot. Hi. Oh my god. Alright. Gotta open the door. Alright. And, put this back on. Bro, I have a chainsaw. What? Alright. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Alright. Gotta put the sheet back on. Alright. Then I put it back in. Okay. Then I put the little... Oh, my door broke. That's okay. It snaps back. Right? Oh, man. Look. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Woo! Yay! Alright. Put all of this back in here. Like that. Alright. Alright. Put this back inside. Bro, look at our base. Oh my god. And then we got like a little chainsaw. Bro, this is awesome. So I remember one of my friends, Bobby Plays 1996. He likes to hear the radio, so this one's for you, Bobby. Let's see what's on the radio. Yeah! Woo! Country music. God, I hate that. But anyways, this is the end of the video. As you can see, it's really hot. And, yeah. Georgia, in conclusion, Georgia is really, really hot. Oh my god. God almighty. I'll see you guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.